I welcome and greet all viewers of this channel and thank CHIUKWU OKIKE Abiama, the Most High, our Father in heaven, to whom all glory and praises belong. I also request that He leads, guides, and protects us, while requesting that He helps me not to misspeak while delivering His messages. I would also like to render my apologies for not being allowed to present any clip of any of the messages and warnings from our watchman before us, as I promised. But as our people, the Igbo people say, aga ahụ ka eme ka ahụ. We're going to be making the best out of this bad situation. One can never imagine how deep and how wicked the enemy has mutated to until he or she begins to do a greater good. Then you can see that the enemy never relents. And with the hope and the grace and help of He that created this earth, all will be great. It will all happen to pass. Now, since it has come to be this way, according to Chinua Achebe, we're going to have to act like a lake and Tioba, the strong bird, by not patching, since the hunter relentlessly decides not to shoot without missing. Since the hunter is determined to shoot without missing. Starting with Sonny Okosun fire in the Soweto, we will learn that from it as a reference point, reference material about how he decries his outrage on outcry about how deep and determined the enemy went to destroy the global Africa by making covenant, cutting covenant with the enemies within, including the ancient enemies, the Fulanis, who traveled all the way from Levant. They took all the way to Levant to make sure that there will be no free nation of Biafra, and that Africa never have rest and peace and freedom. Bob Marley also, in his reference message and warning, stated that we will and should emancipate ourselves from mental slavery, that no one else can free our mind but ourselves. That the fear is all the greatest weapon of the enemy. That we should not fear. Because the strongest and the greatest weapon from given to us by CHIUKWU OKIKE Abiama is his horn of salvation, growing out of his truth. Then in the next introduction, I will begin it with Fela Ransome Kuti's message and his rebuke of the enemy in his message that says, Teacher, don't teach me nonsense. And he goes away talking about the so-called democracy, what they claim that the Igbos gave to the world. But is this what Igbos give to the world? We will discover what the Igbos gave to the world as we keep watching. Our people gave to the world what is engraved in the truth, and not what my brother calls democracy, crazy demon, crazy demonstration of craze. This is not what the Most High and his children gave to the world. And until we get to the bottom of it, there will be no peace for none, even for the enemy. And this is one of the main reasons this channel emerged. So keep watching, and thank you. The Most High CHIUKWU OKIKE Abiama is in charge. Thank you. And Chukwu gozie unu. May the Most High bless us all.